From Daily Forex, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming 11th, and I've got WTI in front of you. You can see that it has exploded to the upside, gaining 4%. And a lot of this is based on the trade war talk kind of being tampered down a little bit by the Chinese early in the day. When I look at this chart, I think 66 is a major barrier. If we can break above there, what that turns this into is an ascending triangle, and we could go much higher. And in fact, that does suggest, at least in theory, a $8 move. I think that we'll pull back sometime in the short term, but that should offer value that I think traders are going to take advantage of. It's not until we break down below the uptrend line that I would be a seller. Nat gas markets, you can see that we tried to rally and then pulled back a bit. The 265-ish level offering support over the last couple of days. 260 is a little bit more important and therefore more likely to be targeted. I think eventually we try to break down to 250, which is going to be crucial from a longer term standpoint. Rallies are sold at the first signs of exhaustion.